Hello, in this short video, I will introduce you to the trusted best website builders platform. I have been working with this for over 7 years and earn about $18,000 a month. It is easy to use and provides beautiful, responsive websites. I will show you 7 very useful life hacks that few people know about, but which will be useful to you. Let me show you everything with an illustrative example.
Motocms is a powerful website building platform that enables users, even those without deep technical knowledge, to create professional websites effortlessly. Whether you're a business owner, freelancer, or blogger, Motocms has solutions tailored for everyone. One of the standout features of Motocms is its user-friendly interface, designed for ease of use. With its intuitive drag and drop functionality, you can quickly create stunning pages by simply dragging elements onto your canvas. Adding text, images, videos, and other media files is just a few clicks away, significantly reducing development time and allowing more room for creativity. Motocms boasts an extensive library of templates that cater to various niches, from restaurants and portfolios to personal blogs. Each template is fully customizable, enabling you to create a site that reflects your unique vision and meets your audience's needs. Whether you want a sleek, modern look or a more traditional aesthetic, you can find the perfect design within Motocms' vast selection. With Motocms, you're not just creating a beautiful site, you're ensuring it's optimized for search engines. The platform includes built-in SEO tools that allow you to customize meta tags, titles, and alternative text for images. This optimization is crucial for enhancing your website's visibility in Google and other search engines, driving more traffic to your site. In today's digital landscape, a responsive design is not just an advantage, it's a necessity. Motocms guarantees that your website looks fantastic across all devices, from desktops to smartphones. This means your visitors will enjoy a high-quality experience, no matter how they access your site. Speed is a critical factor in today's fast-paced online environment, and Motocms leaves no room for compromise in this area. You can trust that your site will perform optimally, providing a smooth and enjoyable experience for all users. If you're looking to create an online store, Motocms makes it easy to set up e-commerce functionality. With integrated shopping cart features and payment gateways, you can start selling your products or services without hassle. This feature is especially beneficial for entrepreneurs seeking to expand their reach and grow their business online. Their dedicated support team is also readily available to assist you with any questions or concerns, making the overall experience smooth and stress-free. Pinegrow is a revolutionary web page editor that combines the power of code with the simplicity of visual editing. It's the ideal solution for designers, developers, and freelancers who want to achieve maximum results in their projects. With Pinegrow, you can edit HTML and CSS in real time, giving you complete control over your design. This tool allows you to work with popular frameworks like Bootstrap and WordPress, making Pinegrow a versatile tool for web development. You can see changes instantly, streamlining your workflow and enhancing creativity. Pinegrow offers a vast library of ready-made components that you can use for quick website development. From navigation bars to sliders, buttons, and more, these components can be easily customized to fit your specific needs. This feature not only saves time, but also elevates the quality of your projects, ensuring they look professional. Support for plugins and integration with popular frameworks makes Pinegrow a powerful tool for anyone looking to create unique projects. You can add functionality using JavaScript, opening new horizons for your website. This flexibility is invaluable for developers who want to create dynamic and interactive web experiences. For developers working with WordPress, Pinegrow offers the capability to create themes directly within the editor. This means you can design themes using all the benefits of visual editing and then export them for use on WordPress sites. This feature is a game changer for those looking to streamline their theme development process. Pinegrow also provides collaboration tools that enable teams to work together seamlessly. Whether you're in a small startup or a large agency, you can easily share your projects and work on them together, enhancing productivity and ensuring everyone is on the same page. Creating responsive designs is a breeze with Pinegrow. The platform includes tools that help you optimize your site for various screen sizes, ensuring that your users have a great experience regardless of the device they're using. Mobirise is a user-friendly website builder that allows you to create modern, responsive websites without needing to know how to code. It's the perfect solution for small businesses, freelancers, and personal projects. Designed with simplicity in mind, Mobirise lets you quickly build a site by simply dragging and dropping elements onto the canvas. This is ideal for anyone looking to launch a project rapidly without delving into complex technical details. The learning curve is minimal, enabling you to focus on your content and design. Mobirise provides a wide range of pre-designed templates and blocks, allowing you to easily create a website that looks professional. You can choose from various themes, each of which can be tailored to suit your specific needs. This drastically reduces development time, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your project. Mobirise incorporates SEO-friendly elements, enabling you to optimize your site for search engines and improve its visibility. Mobirise offers free blocks as well as the option to purchase premium templates and components for enhanced functionality. This makes Mobirise a flexible tool that caters to any budget, ensuring that you can create a stunning website without breaking the bank. Mobirise continuously updates its platform, providing users with the latest features and improvements. Additionally, a vibrant community of users offers support, tutorials, and resources to help you get the most out of your experience. In summary, Motocms, Pinegrow, and Mobirise are all powerful website building tools that cater to different needs and skill levels. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a complete beginner, these platforms offer the flexibility, ease of use, and functionality to bring your web design visions to life. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights, tips, and tutorials on web development tools. Join our community and stay updated on the latest trends in web design, ensuring that you have the knowledge and resources to create stunning websites that stand out in today's competitive online landscape.